Good morning, children. Let's continue our chapter. Chapter 6, Changes Around Us. So, next topic is physical and chemical changes. So, children, physical means those changes in which no new substance is formed are called physical changes. So, children, in physical changes, no new substance is formed. Okay, so during physical changes the properties of a substance remain the same. Okay, so in physical changes the properties are same, the properties of a substance remain the same. Many times they are temporary and can be reversed. Okay, so physical changes, they are temporary changes and they can be reversed, like melting of ice in such change. Okay, melting of ice is a physical change. देखो, when water freeze it changes into ice. Okay, and when ice melt it changes into water. Okay, so this is a temporary change, no new substances formed. So melting of ice is a physical change. Clear, children? So activity 5, it is based on physical change. Dissolve some salt in water to make a solution. Okay, take some salt, okay, and dissolve in water to make a salt solution. The solution is now salty in taste. Okay, now heat this solution, heat the solution till all the water evaporates. Okay, heat the solution till all the water evaporates, leaving behind what? Salt. Taste it. So does it have the same taste as before? Yes, same taste. So no new substance is formed. So we can say that dissolving salt in water is a physical change. Okay, this is a physical change. Those changes in which a new substance is formed which has properties different from the earlier substance are called chemical changes. So children, chemical changes means in chemical changes a new substance is formed. Okay, and properties are changed in chemical changes. Okay, on cooking the color, hardness and appearance of food changes. Okay, on cooking the color, the hardness and appearance of food change. Cooking food is a chemical change. So children, cooking food, it is a chemical change. Okay, turning of a raw green mango into ripe yellow mango, this is also a chemical change. एक बार raw mango, एक बार raw होने के बाद वो जब ripe हो जाएगा तो उसका color change हो जाएगा. The raw mango is green in color, the ripe mango is yellow in color. Green color change into yellow, लेकिन ripe होने के बाद वो फिर से raw में नहीं change होगा. Okay, so it is a chemical change. So activity 6, take a sheet of paper, hold it with a pair of tongs, burn it to flame. So what happened to the paper? ठीक है, take a sheet of paper, hold it with a pair of tongs and burn it in flame. So what happened to the paper? Is the color of the substance ash formed सेम एज इट फॉर्म द पेपर? आपने पेपर को बर्न किया, ठीक है, उससे पेपर टर्न्स इनटू ऐश. अब उस ऐश से फिर से पेपर बनेगा? नो, इट इज़ अ परमानेंट चेंज. सो बर्निंग ऑफ पेपर इज़ अ केमिकल चेंज. ओके, so children, there are 3 difference of physical change and chemical change. So in physical change no new substance is formed. Okay, in chemical change new substance is formed. Physical change, the properties of a substance remain the same, but in chemical change the properties of a substance change. It is mostly reversible. Okay, but the chemical changes, they are irreversible. Okay, they are not reversed. So there are some changes which are physical but irreversible. For example, so children, देखो, there are some changes which are physical but irreversible, like plucking of leaves, tearing of paper, breaking of glass. So they are physical changes but irreversible. जैसे plucking of leaves, ठीक है, plucking of leaves है तो ये क्या है, आपने एक बार लीव को प्लग कर दिया लेकिन ये फिर से उसमें नहीं लग सकती है. इट इज़ irreversible change but it is a physical change. फिजिकल कैसे? लीव तो लीव ही रहेगी. ओके, tearing of paper is irreversible change. ठीक है, irreversible है, फिर से वो रिवर्स नहीं हो सकता है. ठीक है, बट इट इज़ अ फिजिकल चेंज. नो न्यू सब्सटेंस इज फाउंड. ब्रेकिंग ऑफ ग्लास इज ऑल्सो अ फिजिकल बट इरिवर्सिबल चेंज. ओके, नाउ let us revise Identify the following as slow and fast changes. So children, you know, some changes are very slow, ठीक है, they take very less time, but some changes are very fast, they take less time. So change in your size, so it is a slow change or fast change? It is a slow change. Okay, bursting of soap bubble, so it is a fast change. Movement of picture on TV, it is a fast change. Digestion of food in our body, it is a slow change. Okay, and weathering of rock, it is a slow change. Okay, so slow change. So children, second, third and fourth, this is your homework. Okay, you have to find out the answers of second, third and fourth. Okay, and then write down in your practice copy. The effects of heat on changes. Heat का क्या effect पड़ता है change पे? तो heat, what is heat children? Heat is a form of energy. Okay, heat means heat, it is a form of energy. So when we heat a substance, it gains energy and changes occur in it. So when we heat a substance, it gains energy, okay, and changes occur in it. So these changes can be of many types. First, change in the size of an object on heating. So children, on heating, substances increase in size. So when we heat a substance, okay, it increase in size. So this kind of change is called the expansion. Okay, expansion means increase in size. So on heating the substance, it increase in size. So this type of change is called expansion. Okay, and the object is said to be expanded. उस object को क्या कहेंगे? जो heat करने पे increase हो जाएगा, it is called expanded. And expansion can take place in all the three states of matter. So we see the expansion in all the three states of matter, whether in solid, liquid and gas. तो similarly, on cooling, the size of materials decreases. ठीक है, when we cool a substance, ठीक है, जब उसको cool करेंगे, the size of the materials decreases. ठीक है, size of उसका material का size क्या हो जाएगा? Decrease, and this is called contraction. Okay, this is called contraction. Now in solid, ठीक है, solid के examples है solid, liquid and gas. So in solids, most of the solids expanded on heating. Okay, but on cooling, they come back to their original size. ठीक है, तो most of the solid they expand on heating, but when we cool, they come back to their original size. Example, जैसे if you heat a key, okay, जैसे example, key in a lock, key doesn't fit after heating. तो if you heat a key, it won't fit into the lock. Okay, because it expand. The metal on heating expand. Okay, but if you cool it, it will again fit. ठीक है, it comes back to its original shape. Okay, then it can easily fit. Then second example, iron tools are fitted in their wooden handles by heating. Okay, iron tools, जितने भी iron tools होते हैं, they are fitted in their wooden handles. यहाँ पे देखो, on heating, iron handle gets expand. Okay, this is the wooden handle. Then iron handle fits with wooden handle on cooling. Okay, so iron tools are fitted in their wooden handles by heating. On heating, the tools expand. Okay, the wooden handle, it is made up of material. Okay, metal. The wooden handle fixes easily inside the ring, but on cooling, tools contract. Okay, then this makes the handle fit tightly. पहले ये expand हुआ, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हमने ये वुडन हैंडल को लेके आए, फिर कूल डाउन होने पे ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगा, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होने से ये जो हैंडल है ये इसके अंदर फिट हो जाएगा. ओके, सिमिलरली द मेटल रिम्स आर फिटेड. देखो थर्ड एग्जांपल, मेटल रिम ऑन वुडन व्हील. So similarly, the metal rims are fitted on wooden wheels of carts after heating them. So if you observe railway track, you will find that space is left between two rails at the joint. Okay, so this is done to allow for the expansion of iron rail during summer. So can you guess what will happen if there is no space between rails? So this is the activity. Take a metal ball and a metal wire. Okay, this is the metal wire, and also take a metal ball. Make a loop of the wire in such a way that is just as big as the ball. ठीक है, the metal wire is bigger than the ball. The ball should be able to just fix inside the ring. Now take out the ball and keep it aside. Now hold the ring carefully with a pair of tongs and heat it. Okay, it expand, है ना. Pass the ball through the ring now. The ball is easily pass through the ring. You will find that now the ball easily passes through. Cool the rim. What happened to its size on cooling? Does the ball passes through it easily? No. So in liquids, perhaps you have seen your mother boiling milk. So on boiling, milk expand. Okay, when we boil the milk, it expand. If the burner is not turned off, the milk spills out of the container. On turning off the burner, it cools and come back to its previous level. Okay, कूल होने के बाद वो फिर से क्या होता है, अपने प्रीवियस लेवल पे आ जाता है. इसी तरीके से मर्करी मेटल एक्सपेंड अ लॉट ऑन हीटिंग. ओके, मर्करी मेटल इट इज़ ऑल्सो एक्सपेंड ऑन हीटिंग. So this property of mercury is used in making thermometer. So in gases, if you keep an inflated balloon in brighter sunlight, it might burst. Why it might burst? This is because the heat of the sun expand the air inside the balloon, which make the balloon burst. Okay, balloon के अंदर की जो air होगी, heat होने पे क्या होगी, वो expand होगी, जिससे वो balloon burst हो जाएगा. On cooling, gases contact. Okay, and they also expand more than liquids on heating. Okay, so they expand more than liquids on heating. Gases. Change in hardness of object. Many solid objects on heating become soft. Okay, many solid objects, when we heat, they become soft. So this is how a blacksmith make tools of iron. So on heating till red hot, iron becomes soft and can be easily beaten into any shape. Okay. Change in physical state. We have already studied about melting, evaporation and condensation in chapter 5. So we know, children, that solid turns into liquid and liquid turns into gases on heating. Okay, ice, solid, on heating changes into water. Okay, on cool down it again changes into ice. Water on heating changes into water vapor. When it cools down, it again changes into liquid. So these changes are reversible. So all these changes, reversible or irreversible. So all these changes are reversible. So changes can be categorized into more than one type of change at the same time. For example, burning of paper, it is a chemical change and it is a fast change. ठीक है, a non-periodic change and an irreversible change. So changes are at a law of nature. Understanding them can help us to regulate them for our benefit. Okay, children. Now the chapter is complete. Thank you.